Hello! Right, my journey to Wales is tomorrow. Today is Thursday. Very excited about it. I'm going for an haircut. I really need an haircut. That's a bit better. It is a bit better. Hopefully it won't rain too much during the weekend. We'll see about that. Go home, take care of stuff. Today's the day. Are we ready? Let's go. Almost 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm on the way to Winchester. It's a beautiful day today.
This is Broughton Bay.
Come on, girls. This is absolutely beautiful. Fantastic. Mountain bike trails over here. Whoa. Look at that. This is good for mountain biking, Jack. Risky? This is awesome. Look at this. They're old. They're getting old. This is great. There's Keith and Tom. Definitely a mountain bike trail. What do you think?
Never know what's going on.
Yeah.
Next corner.
Looks slippery. Through here?
There's no path through there.
I think there's a path here, but we can go through there. It seems easier. Huh? Definitely people out here. It's all burned out. Jeez. Yeah, through there, look. There's a small trail in there. Oh, yeah. Is it worth it?
I think this is probably far enough, but
Well,
I don't know how much we can see.
yeah, because we need to see on the other side. Yeah.
To go over there.
Ah, there you go. Look. Nice trail here. That's where it's supposed to go, is over there. I think so. You up for it? You prefer this way? Oh my god. Okay. The youngsters, they're all behind. There you go. Nice spot here. Look at this. Hey! This is amazing, huh? We conquered the world.
Looks like a fossilized starfish. Yeah, that's what
It's a bit steep in there. There's no wells here, no? Whoa!
pretty slippery.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to bounce.
Go on. Gee, what was the name of the storms?
Dennis.
Was Dennis who brought us here?
Might predate Dennis, judging from the rust.
Yeah, probably.
Right, this is where we stay. It's not bad, is it? Let's try to find a shop. There's a lot of shops, closed shops, and it's closed. They don't have any shops.